You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this older Tokyo neighborhood area in old Tokyo, Japan. If you want to learn more useful Japanese pronunciations, vocabulary, food names, names of famous places, stay tuned. Asakusa, Japanese pronunciation, Asakusa, Asakusa. Stress a bit on the sa syllable, the first one. Asakusa. Now, in English, therefore, it's not Asakusa, rather Asakusa. How to pronounce English pronunciation Asakusa from Japanese pronunciation Asakusa. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.